Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to change an account password in the laptop. Critically, I will show you these all 6 steps. So click on this PC icon, right click on it and go to property. And then click on the account option. Scroll down and click on the sign in option. You can see here the password option is available in this option. Click on it and then click on the password option and then click on the change button and write your current password and click on the next button and then write new password. Again, write your new password and write the hands and then click on the next button and finally click on the finish button. So your password has been changed. If you have any question about the how to change an account password in the laptop, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.